So the birdies, it's Halloween. So the birds are the area for my bestie brothers, law enforcement, friends, and family. They fly around and then they sit on the top right there. And you just see them sitting there. And the other one will fly over there and sit on top too. So when the birds fly around and above and around, they are clearing the energy for all my bestie brothers, law enforcement, friends, and family, no matter where they're at. The birds are such good little creatures. They like helping. So the entities combined with the birds are doing protection and healing. And as you see, the little birdie went and sat down. These animals are awesome. Happy Halloween, everybody. I love all my bestie brothers, law enforcement, friends, and family. Have a great day. Happy Halloween.